Hello and welcome to the Caravan Salon. I'm going to show you here a Frankia Platin with a rather unusual layout with a rear lounge. So let's come in. So the price you're looking at for something like this, well, you're not going to get much change out of 200,000, and it might end up costing a lot more than that. It depends very much on the equipment levels that are put into the vehicle. So as I come in, immediately it looks a bit unusual. Place to put your hang your coats up, that's a good idea. Heated. I can see it's got a double floor, so I can stick my shoes in there. On the left, we've got this L-shaped kitchen, behind which is the lounge, and up front we've got the bed and the washroom. Right, so you'd sleep up here, bed will drop down. I'll show you the bed drop down a bit later. Down here we've got storage on this side, including the Alde boiler. We've got here the steps to get into the bed. We've got here a pull-out pantry thing, and here we've got a drawer. Okay, so note the way in the cabin, wonderful comfortable chairs, integrated seat belt, and the double floor has been worked around the chairs and the brake. So the brake has not been moved to the left hand side, which is now increasingly common with the Mercedes. On the left hand side there's a door, right hand side obviously there is no door. You've got heating also behind the seats. So that's the cabin. I'll show you with the bed down a little later. It coming in here, you've got a wardrobe. Shelves will come out, so it doesn't necessarily have to be a wardrobe. Oh, the shelves will go in rather. Wide and large shower. On the other side we have got this nice large toilet. Well, toilet's not large, but the room is, and if I come back here, you can see me in the shower there. Between the toilet and shower there's the air conditioning unit. Place for your towels. Coming into this room here, we've got another wardrobe with the with shelves in. Here, grill, freezer, fridge, and next to that, as you'd expect, we've got the kitchen. Kitchen has a moulded sink. It's got 2 burners there, another one there. This is an option actually, this third one. You can order it without it. Bin for rubbish or the potato peelings or whatever, and window in the kitchen. Here we have more storage. A big black screen, and below the big black screen, the big black screen will pull out as well, so it'll come over here somewhere, so you can sort of sit down there and watch the television. Storage all the way around, storage in the floor, double floor, absolutely essential in my opinion. This is a somewhat unusual seating group, I think. I'll show you down here as well. It's only, I can't think of any of the, well, Deathless have something that's a bit similar to this. That's a view from looking down the van. Oh, I like these big, enormous windows above. It's quite an expensive option when it's an option. The thing with I said about the price, it can't really say, because it could be $500,000 by the time you finish with everything. It just depends on the options that are taken. So it's a huge range there. Very nice, huh? Let's continue walking. So have a walk on the outside. Obviously you get storage under the kitchen. That's quite standard in any vehicle. There's a window in the door. And I'll show you in here, because the bed, set the bed up for you so you can see what it looks like. You can see this vehicle in a different video. This is the i7-900 Plus Platin. So this one's got a bigger rear lounge there, but totally different sort of a layout. I think I prefer this layout actually. So there, that's what the bed looks like when it's down. So you can see you've got the same seats, even the same colour. So everything here at the front's just the same. Got the shower, the toilet, and down here what we've got, this comes out like that, and then this opens up to make the steps up to the bed. So there you go, that's what it looks like with the bed down. Really enormous bed at that. As far as the bed's concerned, you've got electricity up there so you can charge phones and things like that. The front, the windscreen and the windows on either side, there are blackout blinds for those as well. The one on the front windscreen is electric, so keep light out, and it comes with a television up there. So there you go, that's what it looks like with the bed down. Bed drops down electrically. Close this door. Let's walk around back to the main one here. So storage on the double floor, gas cabinet here, and they gives you an idea of the size of the double floor. Garage at the back. Garage isn't enormous, but it's here, and there we go. I'll open the door up for you. It's got some electrics as well in here. The garage means to say, sorry, the lounge means to say that the garage isn't going to be all that large, although there is of course that ledge at the back of it. This will open, gives an enormous rear flap on this side as well, storage around the side. There you go, hope you found that interesting. A Frankia with a rear lounge. Thanks for watching.